Okay, this next video is about graphing lines using the slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is an equation written in the form y equals mx plus b. And in this formula, m is your slope, and we represent it by graphing rise over run. The b is the y-intercept. So if we have the equation y equals 1/5 x plus 7, the first step is to graph the y-intercept. So we go to 7 on the y-axis and we make a dot. Then we look at the slope. 1/5 means that we have a rise of 1. We go up 1 and right 5. You make a new dot at that point, and then you connect the two dots to create your line. And that line has the equation y equals 1/5 x plus 7. Another example, y equals -2/3 x minus 5. This time we start with our y-intercept is -5. So I make a dot at -5 on the y-axis. Then my slope is -2/3. So instead of going up, I go down 2 and right 3 to plot my second point. We're always going to do up or down based on whether it's positive or negative. And then your denominator number, you're always going to go right. And this makes my second line. Okay, I'm going to change colors just so we can see these all separate from each other. The third equation is y equals x plus 2. In this case, there's an invisible 1 in front of the x, and we can write 1 as the fraction 1/1. So we have y equals 1/1 x plus 2. First, we graph the y-intercept at 2 on the y-axis, and then 1/1 means I go up 1, right 1, and I graph the second point right there. Okay, the last equation that I have is y equals -3x. In this case, there's no y-intercept. So if I wanted to, I could go ahead and write a +0 for my y-intercept, just so I have something to look at. I'm going to start at the point 0, 0, and then this is -3. -3 can be written as the fraction -3/1. So I'm going to go down to -3 and right 1. And there is my line.